The Business Podcast with Davis Blank Furness, Glossop's chosen solicitors since 1877.
So tonight is the Glossop and High Peak Business Awards 2025. Dave, what a night this is proving to be. So much talent.
Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely. The Glossop Dale area have really come to the fore tonight, haven't they?
And it's our very
Some
first
terrific
one.
businesses.
It's our first one we're doing. I'm delighted to welcome to our little studio here the Manufacturing or Engineering Business of the Year. This goes to Pressure Tech, and we've got Dan joining us. Great to see you.
Great to have us tonight.
Congratulations.
Really had a good night.
Congratulations. So what's your role within the business?
I work in the sales, so we've always got the big targets every year. Family business established in 2000 by Steve York Robinson and his wife Christine, who unfortunately can't be here tonight, but really nice occasion to spend the night with everybody. Some really great people, like you say, in the Glossop area. Steve's built the business up over the last 25 years. We now employ over between 30 and 40 people now in the local area, Glossop and Hatfield. In manufacturing pressure regulators for the oil and gas and hydrogen industry, and all from Graphite Way in Hadfield. So
that's incredible. Just tell us what a regulator is.
It's used in industrial applications to step pressure down from like a high pressure source, like a cylinder bank or something, down to something that might need a lower pressure, such as a hydrogen fuel cell in a hydrogen vehicle, or various oil and gas systems that need pressure letdowns and pressure reductions.
So you say you're the sales guru. Sales are high. Sales are high. How does the future look?
The growth's been absolutely massive. Steve's really invested in additional salespeople in various global territories. We've got a business development manager now, Wade in America, Walter over in Singapore, in Asia, covering all the areas of the globe, and me and Dave handle the internal inquiries in the office on a daily basis. So those guys are out on the road. We're grafting, getting the sales in.
Okay, so pulling back to the manufacturing side, everything manufactured in-house? Yeah,
we've got our own machine shop next door. So the guys in the machine shop are turning over all the regulator bodies and things that we buy the material in, turn it into from the drawing into the bodies and the parts, even down to the little precise little pins that go into the sub-assembly. That then all gets washed and cleaned throughout the process, and then into the assembly line, and the guys get them straight out the door.
Okay, apprenticeships. Do you have an apprenticeship scheme?
We've took on a couple of young guys at the sister business, which is Asgard Engineering, which Steve also took on for extra machining capacity. So we took some guys on there, and he's always looking on the lookout if people want an opportunity.
That's absolutely brilliant.
Yeah,
apprenticeships.
Yeah.
I mean, like I said in there, to give young people that chance, that start, but also certainly from your point of view, to get young people in. I don't know whether you do it, don't know whether it's an idea you want to take back, but to get young people, invite the local school in, just to have a tour of the factory, to have a look, gives them a great idea, and the lights come on.
That's right.
I might want to do.
Yeah, that working environment, coming out of the school or education environment into the working environment, getting used to that, like you mentioned earlier, the communication, the team building, the ethos around the place, and it's a very good facility.
How do you tackle training?
Because of the levels of growth that we're obviously Steve's got planned for the business, we're constantly looking to take on people. That's a credit to the existing people there to be able to hand over the skills.
And that's important, isn't it?
Machining and things isn't an easy skill particularly. So getting the machinists in, learning trade, learning skills. So it's a credit to the existing team there, but also giving the opportunities to the people coming in.
Brilliant. Well, absolutely congratulations, fabulous. Dan from Pressure Tech.
Absolutely great.
Thanks ever so much for having us tonight, guys. Thank you.
Thanks very much indeed.
The Business Podcast with Davis Blank Furness, Glossop's chosen solicitors since 1877.